Cisco Network Plug-and-Play, or PnP, is a secure and scalable solution for simple day zero provisioning across all Cisco enterprise platforms, including routers, switches, and wireless access points. We'll talk about the Network PnP server in FindIT on this edition of Tech Talks. Next. With Network PnP, there are 4 primary device management tools. We'll go over each of them and their various uses and requirements. Start by logging into your FindIT Network Manager and navigating to the Network Plug-and-Play tab in the menu. Then, go to the Images section. To add an image into the manager, we'll simply click the plus icon in the upper left-hand corner of the window. Here, you can choose to either drag and drop the image file or click in the window to browse for a saved file from your computer. Once we've done that, we can head to the Configurations page and click the plus icon in the corner to upload our configuration file using the same method as before. Once our configuration file is uploaded, we can edit the product ID for our image by going back to Images, selecting the image, then clicking the Edit icon in the corner. We can now move on to our first management tool in the Projects page. Here, we'll need to create our project by entering a project name in the top left corner and clicking Create Project. Once the project is created, we'll need to provide a device name, product ID, and the serial number of the device. I recommend finding the host name for the device in the Cisco Network probe and using that as your device name. The product ID and serial number can also be found in the FindIT Network probe when you select a device and look in the tab on the right. Once we've entered all the appropriate information, we'll click Add New to add it to the project's device list at the bottom of the page. Now, we'll select the checkbox next to our recently added device and click the Edit icon. Here, we can add the image and configuration files we uploaded earlier from the Image and Configure drop-down menus. Then click the Save icon to save our settings. Now, we'll move on to the second device management tool, AutoClaim. To get started, we'll head to the AutoClaim Devices tab under Network Plug-and-Play in the menu. We'll enter our product ID into the Product ID box, then click Add New. Now, we'll select the device from the list at the bottom of the page and click the Edit icon in the top left corner. Once again, we'll add our image and configuration files from the Image and Configure drop-down menus respectively. Then, save by clicking the Save icon in the upper left corner. The Network PnP server will use these files to provision any device with a matching product ID attempting to connect to the network. We also have the option of manually claiming or ignoring unclaimed devices. First, navigate to the Unclaimed Devices tab on the left-hand side. To manually claim a device, we simply select it using the checkbox from the list on the Unclaimed Devices page. We'll be sure to assign our image and configuration files to it, then click on Claim. This will move the device to the claimed list on the Unclaimed Devices tab. We can also choose to ignore unclaimed devices by simply checking the box next to the device and clicking Ignore. We also have the management option to adjust our check-in time interval in the Settings section under the Network Plug-and-Play tab. This interval determines how frequently our PnP server checks for updates. Just type in your desired interval in minutes and click Save to save your settings. Now you're ready to configure your Network Plug-and-Play server. Thanks for watching Tech Talks from Cisco. We'll see you next time.